Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Dr. Muhammad. My name is Talha. I reside in the UK, in Manchester. I was given your number from somebody called Amna from the Interpol charity. I'm the brother who was inquiring in regards to the ingredients for the cancer situation. My mother-in-law has cancer, unfortunately. I do apologize if this message is all of a sudden, but it's quite a severe situation. The cancer is basically it's cancer on the lining of the lung um, and the breast. The breast is which has been removed. That is now the cancer has come back. It's 21 years ago that the cancer was removed, but unfortunately there was liquid in the lungs over a long period of time, and because of the liquid, they did a biopsy and they tested the liquid, and it came out that there is cancer has returned. So, the doctors are saying that there's no cure for this cancer. So we are inshallah trying to find alternate cures. Inshallah, primarily asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for help and shifa. But we look forward to hearing from you, inshallah. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Dr. Muhammad. I hope you still have this number. My name is Muhammad Talha. I messaged you a few years ago with regards to my mother-in-law having cancer, and you advised what medication to take. Alhamdulillah, we gave her that medication, and Alhamdulillah, she's still with us today. She's very weak at the moment, but Alhamdulillah, she's with us. She's stable, and the cancer is under control. Alhamdulillah.